Today is wonderful plane spotting. Look at that. Look at these three. Plane over there, I think it got retired or grounded. And this one here, sadly there were no plane. Their plane's getting set up. It's still getting set up to fly. I think we're gonna see some helicopters. Guys, like and subscribe, please. Yeah, babe. Oh, here's something.
Oh, what's that?
What's that? I just heard a plane take off earlier. Let me check flight radar. Look at flight radar. What the heck? Oh, that's what's happening. They're starting up the engines on that plane.
Oh, finally look, they're bringing one out.
Oh, they're bringing a plane out. Tell everyone come to Cumbernauld Airport right now. Come. Sadly, by the time you're watching this video, all of them will be gone, sadly. Oh, it's like, yeah. Oh my. They're bringing it out to the runway, man. This is great. Planes. Here. Like, subscribe if plane spotting's your hobby. I subscribed. I can't even subscribe anyway.
You're so excited, aren't you?
Yeah. So excited. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. I'm trying to get you guys a clear view of this. If you've ever been plane spotting, you've seen this at Cumbernauld Airport. Everyone come to Cumbernauld Airport right now. Come. Hopefully by the time you're watching this video, all of them will be gone, sadly. Come to Cumbernauld Airport, man. Whoa. It's actually taken a wee while. We might not get any planes today or helicopters, that's just worth it. It's worth seeing the plane. Someone search up these registration numbers. I'll get a clear view for you for them. Get you a clear view. Search up the registration. I bet that plane. Oh, look at.
Oh.
What the heck? Helicopter takeoff! Helicopter takeoff! What the heck? Here, like and subscribe right now. Like and subscribe. Look at that. Come on. Trying to get a really good view. There are all our helicopters. If you. Oh my! What the heck, man? Plane takeoff. Helicopter. We're definitely seeing some. The thing is getting absolutely bombarded by planes flying. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Whoa.
Look at that, man. It's going so fast. It might look like it's not going so fast. It's just... If you were me, it's going so fast. 100 kilometers per second. That was crazy. Oh! Our plane moving. Helicopter and plane. Remember last time? That was just some more. This is our stuff I missed out in the last video. There's all this stuff here. Scotland flag and that there. We missed out. Oh, it's taken off. It's taken. Let's take it off.
Oh, wait till you see this.
2 helicopters.
2 helicopters.
3 helicopters. I think it's actually 4. Let's know. You have fire brigade down here. This is just a wonderful airport for plane spotting inside. If you're a plane spotter and you don't like loud noises, that really that much. Come here. Come here. It's not so loud. It's not so loud. I love it. I love the sound of the engines. It's just so good. Oh, why? Mama, look! Oh, it's coming back.
I wonder if it's going to land.
It's coming to land, definitely.
Is it?
It's the same as last time. Coming. Coming WATC. W. Where's the black one? I think my camera on wasn't so good. Turn my eye for it.
Oh, here it goes.
Here it goes. Oh, let's make this very loud. Huh? Oh my! I'm moving a helicopter. Must be really hard. Bro's using his arm outside it. What's Bro doing? What's Bro doing?
Oh, he's going in. He's going in.
Bro, oh man. Oh, he's just taking some. He's helping him. Young flyers. Mum, can we book a flight from Cumbernauld Airport to Edinburgh Airport?
I don't think you can, son.
Oh, you can't book any
I
flight.
think this is mostly for training.
What? I missed some. Mum, it seems like that plane that took off isn't coming back and it's a very long runway. We're not headphones. You can probably barely hear me. There's a flood here. Well, I missed out a rock too. I missed out a lot of stuff in my cafe for. Qantas Empire Airways. Here it is. Oh, it's taken off.
Oh, it's not. The door's still open.
What the heck, man? Someone on some Haribos. Where's the airport? I think this is the airport there. These are all the flight restriction areas. Look at all of that.
We restart the video then. Press stop on that and then restart it.
No.
Oh, look, Finley.
Blade! Look at him! Look at that wee guy! Say W plane. Say W. I like W. I don't say W. Or say W. I don't know any. Aww.
There must be something wrong with it.
Yeah. Are you scared?
No, I think there must be something wrong with it.
Yeah.
It's
there's
never
some-
been fixed.
At least there are actually some Oh, look at aeroplane! Zooming in on a bird. To trick you guys. You really think I'm dumb as that? Can someone comment what that is? That thing at the front of the helicopter? looks weird. Must be a military hull. Scottish military. Scottish military helicopter. Aww. Must be something wrong. It must not be something wrong.
There must be something getting fixed or something.
I think it's just a test, eh? At least we saw one plane and a helicopter and 3 helicopters and 3 planes and 1 car. There are actually more planes. Look. If you guys come to Cumbernauld Airport, you can actually just plane spot.
He's got the ladder, he's going to fix something. Must be something broken.
Yeah. I don't know why there would be something broken at Cumbernauld, best airport on earth. Huh? By the way, zooming on the other plane. I think you can book a flight from here.
Didn't you?
Yeah, I think you can. You can fly with the pilot, training pilot.
Ah, yeah.
What? Yeah.
Stop your video now and then you can restart it in a minute.